I made $1,900 today in one trade using this concept. And the concept I'm talking about is the 15-minute orb mixed with my IFVG strategy that I call the GUI model. Right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can start catching trades like this on your own. Step number one, we want to chart out the high and the low of our first 15-minute candle at 9:30 a.m. New York time. The next thing we want to look for is delivery from a higher time frame fair value gap or order block. In today's example, I didn't see any delivery on NQ, but I did see delivery on ES, giving us SMT at the lows, which is enough for me to trust my trade. So now that I know I have a bullish bias and I want to see the long step in because we're at all-time highs, because we're getting delivery from a higher time frame bullish PD array, I'm now looking for my entry model, and this is where I look for an IFVG to target my trade. Because it was a pre-holiday trading day today, I wanted to make sure I had extra confirmation, so I looked for a 2-minute bearish fair value gap, and I knew that once this 2-minute got inverse, I would have my entry. Now, most orb traders are waiting for us to break out of the actual orb high before taking their trade, but I knew that my target was at 23,000 right here, so I didn't want to wait for us to break out here. I knew that my real entry was going to be at this IFVG. So I knew I had key bookmap liquidity resting at 23,000 right above us, and I also saw that we had liquidity resting at 23,025 right up here. So this is when I grab my long position tool, putting it above this IFVG level, keeping my stop below the wick of the IFVG, targeting this 23,000 level for first TP and that 23,025 for full TP. So let's see how this one played out. We got our IFVG right there. I waited for retracement, got my entry, and before you know it, we hit both TPs very, very quick.